week is V week, kindergarten. So we're going to do our V handwriting page. And V makes the sound that goes V, V. And Mr. V has a velvet violet vest. So I hope you get to watch his show. Now let's look at our V's. We see we have two lines, and they're two slanted lines. And I want you to notice that they come to a point at the bottom. So we need to make sure we see that point when we make our V's. So let's try one. We're going to start at the green dotted line and make slanted line down, make your point, slanted line up, and we see that point. We have to make sure we see that point, boys and girls, because if we don't see that point and I do this, you can see it starts to look like a U. And we are not doing U's this week. We're on V. So we will go slanted line down, slanted line up, and make your point. So that's what our lowercase v is going to look like. And if you look up here, we see we have a moving van, and he's moving a vase with violets, and there's even a violin. So you're going to trace your lowercase v's, make your own lowercase v's, and then trace the word violin, violets, and vase. And now let me show you what that capital V is going to look like. On the other side, we see our capital V's. It looks like the lowercase v, except we take it and we stretch it. So we have to start all the way at the top line at that green dot, and we're going to make our slanted line all the way down to the red line, slanted line all the way back up. So we're touching the top line and the bottom line, and again, making that point at the bottom. Let's try it one more time. Slanted line down, slanted line up. And on this page, you're going to trace those capital V's, make your own capital V's, and at the bottom, you're going to trace the words van, Vinny, and vow.